Okay, so we're at the gas station fueling up. The people who have a broken, I guess, UTV front end are here, and Matt's here, and we're ready to rock. There's the banana, and there's the people. So we're going to make this a fun adventure. Winter towing is here. Just getting everything ready with the banana.
No electricity's getting from here to here.
Okay, so I think we have a plan of attack, and Paul knows where it's at.
Roughly, I know. I could drive there and find it without them, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, so now we're gonna follow some UTVs and figure out what's broken.
I hope it's not. I hope we can figure it out and drive it out of there.
Yeah.
Because the sand hill is usually pretty crappy. Getting the air conditioner fixed in this was key.
Yeah, today's even better.
Yeah, we could have the windows up, not getting trees in here, and stay cool.
And away we go. That's a cool trailer though.
Oh yeah, he built it just for
off-road.
Well, it's super light. It's made to go on the sand dunes and they cover them.
Oh, gotcha. And it's tall, so you can like clear stuff. Yeah. Is it mobile home axles?
I think it was a boat trailer originally.
Oh.
That's what it started its life out as. It's not gonna like this narrow road.
Doesn't this take you up to that big gravel pit?
If they're in that one, if they went right off into that wash, our day got a lot more difficult. I hope they went left towards Sugar Knoll. If they went right, it's like a full-on rock crawler trail off in that way. We're gonna have to air down.
Oh.
Maybe not. No, we're gonna have to air down.
If we got another hill like this.
We got way worse than that. We gotta air down. 40 pounds is too much for sand, and it'll ride way better out here anyway.
We got this big hill and wash to go up. Man, that trailer's making it. It's pretty impressive.
Okay, I'm gonna drop down in there. You're probably gonna be pulling me out.
Oh yeah, it's soft. I was hoping this wasn't where they were. I was hoping when we got to the top of the hill we went left to the other wash.
Oh.
This one's worse.
This one's worse?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, I'm just gonna ease off there unless you tell me not to.
No, I think you're good. We can get your trailer back out of there.
Even if we have to take it apart?
Sawzall it apart and haul it out. You gotta go up the wash.
So there's a different exit point. We're gonna hit this exit point.
I'll bet they're in here somewhere.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's tight.
Is it?
It's tight. We haven't been down here for a long time, but
Won't change too much.
Kick the locker out. Yeah, I'll back off. Watch it here.
Yeah, if you just get one side or the other, I'll just crawl through.
Okay.
I do have to say, Southern Utah is pretty.
It is for sure.
Stuff like this I never grew up seeing. This is pretty awesome.
I drive semi for a living. You back trailer like a monkey. Yes, I do.
Off-road trailering. Oh my goodness. That's the perfect spot. Paul said so.
I don't know if it's perfect, but so let's see.
It doesn't steer.
Will it steer straight?
Yeah. Where are they?
Right in the middle of the seat. Take that cover off. Right in the center.
Did you break it loose?
There's definitely a bad spot for that.
Because you definitely all of a sudden start turning to the right.
That ledge turned it for me.
Yeah. Oh, pushed it out? Okay, we're on the trailer.
Okay, we need to let some air out of your tires.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Or I won't be much help to you. The office. My deflators are sitting at home, so I'll just use this.
This one out and I'll tend this one. And
Okay.
let the other one
All right, I guess we're entered now. Well, I'll turn around.
Just like that, we're ready to rock. I think the goal is to pull him up the hill.
What's your game plan on this one?
How many shots do we get?
All day, I guess. It's still pretty early.
Dude, can you climb that with with that much air in your tires?
If not, I'll let some more out. There's a good tree up there,
Yeah.
so if worst comes to worst, we can just winch up. to
Winch
that.
up. Winch
Yep.
up again.
Yeah. At least it hasn't rained for like 2 or 3 months, so the sand's nice and deep. Yeah. Exactly.
You might have to look a little further for a silver lining.
I'm out wheeling in my truck. That's the silver lining, really.
Okay, I like it. I'm just gonna judge when that thing goes straight.
Okay, I can't see anything that would go wrong. There's actually some traction right by that tree right there. If I can get to that rock, we're good to go.
I'll grab another rope.
Okay, let's get it hooked on so if I start going.
Well, here's the game plan. We had an 80-foot rope or so. We're getting another one because they're digging holes because the sand's so deep. So he's gonna stay down there. We're adding another rope, and then he's gonna try to pull higher up to that rock and have traction so that we can pull them up the hill as well. So we'll see how this goes. The sand is so soft and deep. Looking at another rope. This kind of gives you an idea of really how steep the sucker is down there. It goes down and down there. So close to the rocks. You're almost there. Almost there.
We'll have to unhook another rope.
Think so?
Yeah, pulling them around a turn now.
Okay.
Matt, let's unhook one more.
One more rope.
I'm just in such deep holes.
Yeah.
You're digging some good holes for me to fall in.
Yeah, I can fill them when you hit them.
Time to winch. Winch set up. Let the winching begin.
Well, that there thing is not happy about what I'm trying to do to it. This thing's hot like it's been working.
Yeah, it'll burn your fingers.
Fixed.
Ooh, trees. Making headway. If you know that bump right there, a little more rock.
We're gonna have to rehook, Matt. We'll go to that big tree up there.
Up there? Okay.
If only there was a hole right here where you could get it.
I like these little brakes because they get me out of the heater in my Jeep, which I've got running at the moment.
Take it back in. It was pulling pretty hard on it.
Yeah.
I halfway think once we get the hair we can unhook it.
Okay, you're getting close to the red.
Okay, so now we're winching off the next tree. We got it hooked up, got her tight, and we're on slow crawl.
Hey, grab the windshield.
Didn't even need it.
Yeah, I think we got it.
Now, hey, you can't rip me through this gap.
No, I won't rip your trailer off.
My trailer's exactly 3 inches wider than the gap between these two trees.
Okay, I will.
So we're gonna have to creep.
I'll get you to there, and
We'll just creep. See that?
that's my tire.
Oh,
I don't know.
it's moving.
Should I push the clutch in?
Yeah, stuff the clutch in.
Do you want me to? Here's a tow truck joke. You want me to put it in neutral?
I can't see him anymore.
Okay, he's through the gap. Yeah. You made it through the gap.
We made it.
Oh,
Well, we made it through the easy part, and then we made it through the hard part. Now all we got to do is make it through the rest of it. This is my good side. Okay, load up in, Randy. Let's turn the AC back on.
it worked out great. This Toyota pulled Matt out of the hills with a razor on a trailer
I hosed him.
because he was going.
I totally hosed him. Gosh. I screwed him on that hill. Sorry, Matt. Really, I didn't mean to. It powered out.
You want Paul? Come on, yellow banana.
See how much better Toyotas are than Jeeps? All he has to do is threaten to come back and get me, and this will climb out.
Did you throw that Yankum rope back up on land?
Yeah, they're all right here.
Those things are awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive how they work.
Yeah, they don't whip you in.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool.
We survived.
We
Back
made
to
it.
the road. There we have it, like that. They have all returned. Victorious.
Alright, well we got the razor out, or side by side, whatever the heck it was. We had to pull Matt a couple of times, but it wasn't too bad. Pretty good fun.
Yeah, we had some fun.
Yeah.
Winching, pulling, digging.
Yeah, we had to break the winch out. We weren't gonna make it without it, so it wasn't bad. Good time. Onward to pump the tires up now.